In this video, how to clean dirty Lego pieces. Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to Bird Bites. Building your Lego. If you want Lego tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new Lego tips from the Bird Bites YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about how to clean dirty Lego pieces. Clean your Lego bricks is really easy. We recommend that you clean your Lego parts by hand using water no hotter than 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, and a soft cloth or sponge. Higher temperatures may affect the quality of the parts. You can add a mild detergent to the water. Please rinse them well with clear water afterwards. And you're done. A word of warning. Please don't put your Lego pieces in the washing machine or dishwasher. And don't try to dry them in the oven, the microwave, or with a hair dryer. When the bricks get really hot, they may change shape, which means they won't work anymore. And I'll see you next time.